Here we got a Pontiac 1974 Formula 350. I guess a Firebird. Yeah. We still had the go fast stuff even in the 70s. Numbers matching, original owner, original paint. Whoa. Man. That's saying a lot. Survivor. 74 Firebirds for Formula 350 Survivor. You know, it's amazing, like these cars surviving that long because everybody beats the crap out of something like this, you know, and that's why they don't survive that long. Huh. Super shape for a Survivor, man. That's the original, like, you know, acrylic lacquer paint. That's why, you know, when you're looking at some of the paint on some of these cars, like, I'm not criticizing this car now. What I'm saying is factory paint doesn't come close to the, you know, the urethane clear coat stuff they got today. The modern paints. This is like a perfect factory paint job. But you'll find you know, when they redo them, they're even smoother, you know. Yeah, this is like original, man, original. Total Survivor. Scary driving this on the road, man. Because it's only original once, you know.